Letting go of the day, voice-only guided meditation. These days, in the rapidly running world we live in, it's more important than ever to have a healthy and regulated nervous system. One that supports your calm, clarity, and conscious presence. It's absolutely wonderful that you chose to take this time for yourself, to go inward and relax instead of seeking external solutions to avoid the silence. This short voice-only guided relaxation and meditation is designed to support your body and mind. Whether you are here to release stress, calm your nervous system, find a moment of inner peace, or enjoy a meditation without music. Let's slow down together and reconnect with the quiet space within you, where nothing needs to be fixed or changed. Settle into a comfortable position and let your body be supported. A few gentle breaths. Inhale and exhale. Notice the rhythm. Briefly scan your body. Feel heaviness in the limbs, warmth in your chest. Let this soft relaxation settle you just enough to be present. And now, bring your attention to the day you are leaving behind. Perhaps it was busy, stressful, or full of small challenges. Acknowledge it without needing to fix anything. It's done. Imagine the events of the day flowing into a gentle river, carrying away tension, leaving calm and quiet in its place. Breathe into your chest. Allow your heart space to soften. Your mind can release the clutter. Your body releases tension. You are not carrying the day anymore. You are here in this moment. Visualize a soft wave of calm washing over you from head to toe. Washing away the remnants of the day. Feel light, grounded and peaceful, ready to rest. You are safe. You are supported. You are at ease. This was a voice-only relaxation. If you'd like to experience the effect of a personalized relaxation audio created specifically for your own emotional or life challenges, feel free to book a short free call with me through my website. If you feel drawn to experience deeper relaxation journeys with music and extended guidance, you will also find my standard relaxation packages on my website. The link is in the description. Thank you for allowing yourself this moment of rest. Take care of yourself, and I look forward to sharing the next moment of calm with you.